Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade review for 26th of November 2020. Now, let's see what the SGX Nifty is doing right now. The SGX December Nifty is at 13,019, and the Dow is closed today. FII figures, they have put in about 2,000 crores, and that was the sense while the market was trading. So I think that was the reason we recovered so sharply. Now, the way I look at this is that we had this big red bar and there has been no follow through, which is often a bullish sign. So I wouldn't be surprised if we are going towards, yesterday's high tomorrow, and both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, it appears that we could head towards the upper end of the range. Okay, so again, as you can see, no follow through on Bank Nifty. Now, today we had a tough start to the day, and that happens. Why? Because when your first trade goes wrong, in order to salvage that, you tend to take trades which maybe in retrospect you shouldn't have taken, but after the clean run we had for several days and several days of whatever we did work, we were bound to have one such day. So what happened here was that the idea we had was that you buy at yesterday's low. So we bought somewhere here, and the first trade it failed. Okay, again, everybody knows that a large correction is due. So when this we started to get follow through, we took some short positions here. Somewhere here we realized that the shorts were not working, and we took longs here and we added, and by the end of the day we were in positive. At this point I was down about 5 lakh. I often tell traders that the best confidence you get is when you make back money. Why? Because it gives me great amount of confidence knowing that I can make back any amount of money. So let's go and have a look at what we advised and what happened. So by the end of the day, our swing trading clients also built long positions, because it was clear that somewhere around 12,800 a swing low may be created. But most of the day we were making lower lows. So the advice in the morning was, good morning members, welcome to all new members. Expiry movement on Nifty likely to be range for the first few hours. I want to buy near yesterday's low. I would be watching how private banks react to no FII buying. So my range is 12,850 to 13,150. Bank Nifty range is 29,000 to 30,000. We breached the lower end of this range temporarily, and then we came back very strongly. See, the lesson from today is that when you started, uh, when a trade started to work, you had to add strongly because the market was short and it would have gone into your direction. This was, I think, 3:15 p.m. where we had four trades going against us. So the market was beating us. And in one trade, we beat the market very solidly. Then basically, by the time the market closed, our profitable trade had gone up to 5,68,000. This we have carried and we came back strongly into the green, taking home 68,816. Obviously, we'll see tomorrow how well we do. Now, my clients did better than me, and that is what makes you happy when your students, when your clients do better. This was a profit 12,523. I think another profit we have about 9,000. This is M2M is 10,281. And again, this person, see, he had losers, but he had this large winner. So that is, what trading is about. Again, this was the swing trade trading client because he's bought 13,200 CE and 29,000 CE. Again, look at the size of the profits because these people apparently may have added. Okay. Again, another profitable trade. So tough day for us, but we came out unscathed. So that is the most important point, that are you able to fight back on a tough day? And tomorrow we have a fresh expiry, and if we do open gap up, etc., we'll get the opportunity of a decent exit, and finally we'll be able to round off the week. So no damage done. On bad days, if you come back home with your emotional and financial capital intact, that is the most important thing, because if your capital isn't damaged, I would think of that as a positive day. There'll be good days and there'll be bad days, but bad days shouldn't be bad and good days should be very good. Tomorrow, fresh day of an expiry, chances are you gap up, and because we are still a bit distance away from the upper end of the range, chances are that tomorrow also we have some upside, and in that upside you should be able to get out. So maybe 29,800, 900 on Bank Nifty, uh, 3,000, 13,050, 70 on the Nifty should be possible tomorrow. So having said all of this, that should be it. Uh, Again, two things are vital. I don't, I limit my losses when I am losing. I add when I am winning. Forget about call, shawl, and entry, pentry. because in this kind of volatile market, your entries cannot be perfect all the time. Like Bank Nifty went below yesterday's close by 250 points. So, you will get wrong footed by that sort of move. Nifty went below yesterday's low by 70 points. Okay. Volatile markets, you have to fight for your capital. So that would be it. The message is that when you are down, try to get out of the hole. And for that, you'll have to press on your winning trades. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor and have a good trading day tomorrow.